Teacher Anya, we have a lot of phonics to get through today. So let's just start. Okay, we're going to start with the letter I. So let's just review the letter I. So I, I. Okay, so one more time. Ready? Do it with me. I, I. Nice job. Okay, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's go through our vocabulary. All right, so say the name of each picture. What is this animal called? An iguana. Iguana. Iguana is a kind of lizard. Okay, so iguana. All right, so this is our iguana. What is this? Ink. Okay, so we use ink to write with. This is an inch. Okay, you guys in China don't use inches because you use the metric system. So you would use a centimeter instead of an inch. Where teacher Anya lives in the United States, we use a very special kind of measuring system called the imperial system that we are the only country in the world that uses it. It's kind of dumb. But we measure things in inches and you measure things in centimeters, okay? So it's a little bit different. So this is an inch, okay? 1 inch. So iguana, ink, inch, okay? So what do we have here? Pig, wig, okay? This is a wig. It's fake hair. Fish, okay? So lots of different things that we can say here, okay? I'm going to erase our word, iguana, okay? And let's keep going, okay? So iguana, ink, inch, pig, wig, fish, okay? Okay, let's read each word. This is easy peasy. It, sit, pit, sip, tip, and Tim. Okay, Tim is a guy's name. All right, easy. Okay, let's keep going. Words to know. To, okay, we need to sit. Okay, we need to sit. Go ahead and read this sentence for me, please. Nice job. Okay, next sentence. It is good to listen. It is good to listen. Okay, so you go ahead and read it. Nice job. Okay, it is good to listen. Very nice. Okay, so this is our story. Can I pat it? So remember, pat is to go like this. Okay, can I pat it? Okay, can I pat it? So we have a puppy and a little girl, and she's asking the boy what? Can I pat your puppy? Okay, can I pat your puppy? It's always a good thing to ask before we pet a stranger's dog because the dog might not like us petting them, okay? And then the dog might bite us and that could hurt, okay? I like to pat it, okay? What's it? It is the dog, okay? I like to pat it. Good. Can you read this sentence for me, please? I like to pat it. Good. Nice job. Easy peasy. Okay, so she has a cat, okay? We might pat the cat, okay? Can I pat it? Can I pat it? Yeah, maybe you can, maybe you can't, okay? It's always nice to ask somebody, can I pat your animal, okay? Can I pat it? Good. Can you read the sentence? Nice, okay? This is very easy this week, okay? Can I pat it? Okay, so she says yes, and we are patting the cat, okay? The cat is soft or hard? The cat is very soft, okay? Almost like a pillow, all right? Can I pat it? Yes. I like to pat it. I like to pat it. Why would we like to pat an animal? Yeah, because it's soft and it feels nice, right? For us and the animal, okay? So I like to pat it. Okay, she wants to pat the fish. Can you pat a fish? No. Do you think the fish would like it? No. Okay, so let's look at, I like it. Okay, so I just like it. I don't want to pat it, okay? No patting. I just want to look at it. I want to use my eyes, okay, and look at the fish. I like it. Okay, so she's looking at the fish in the bowl, okay? Can I pat it? No, that's silly. The fish will say, yuck. No, it's so slimy, okay? Let's read this sentence together, please, again. Can I pat it? No, you cannot pat it, okay? Okay, here's our next story. Tim can tip it. Tip means to push something over, okay? So if you're sitting here and you have something and and it goes plunk, you tip it, okay? You've tipped it over, okay? It falls down, okay? So you could tip a watering can, and what would come out? Water. Nice job, okay? So if you tip something, water is going to come out, okay? So in this case, if we tip the watering can, we can water our flowers, okay? Okay, so what do you see here? I see a lot of people in a garden. What are they growing? What's this? Yeah, lettuce or cabbage. Nice job. What are these? Tomatoes. Good job. What's in here? Flowers, cabbage, and tomatoes. Nice. Okay, so we're growing 3 things, okay? Tim can tip the pail. So remember, we learned what a pail is. It's not when your skin is very white, okay? That's P-A-L-E, pale. Pail is like a bucket, okay? A pail is usually smaller than a bucket, which is why we call it a pail. Okay, so Tim can tip the pail. Okay, so if he pours the pail out, what's going to come out of it? What do you see here? Yeah, a lot of dirt, okay? So if he tips the pail, a lot of dirt will come out, okay? So you read the sentence by yourself. Go. Nice, okay? So Tim can tip the pail, okay? So he can put dirt around the flowers to help them grow. Okay, what do we see them doing here? Okay, so this looks like some seeds, okay? And he's pouring them out of a bag, okay? And she's holding this. This looks like a bird feeder, okay? So where birds might eat, okay? Tim can tip the bag, okay? Good. Let's read it again. Tim can tip the bag. What happens when we tip a bag that's very full? Maybe it's full of rice or seeds. What happens? Yeah, everything comes out, okay? So here he's tipping the bag to pour the seeds into the bird feeder, okay? So Tim can tip the bag. Can you read the sentence for me, please? Nice, okay. So Tim can tip the bag. Very good. Okay, excellent. Okay, so they hang the bird feeder up and the birds are, they're eating, okay? Is Tim happy or sad that the bird is eating? Yeah, he's really happy, okay? He's very, very happy, okay? Tim can see the bird tap. So remember, tap is, okay? Okay? Tim can see the bird tap. So it's tapping with its beak, okay? A beak is a bird's mouth, okay? So it's tapping, okay? So let's read this sentence again. Tim can see the bird tap. Good. Can you read it by yourself? Nicely done, okay? Tim can see the bird tap. Very good. Okay, excellent. Let's keep going. Okay, so Tim's sitting in the garden, and what is our kitten doing? She sees herself, okay? What is it called when we see ourselves, like when we look in a mirror? Do you know what this is called in English? It's called our reflection, okay? So when we see ourselves, like she sees herself in the watering can, she's looking at her reflection, okay? A reflection is our own image. It's something that looks like us, okay? So when you look in a mirror in the morning and you brush your teeth or you comb your hair, you are seeing your reflection, okay? So she's seeing her reflection and she wants to play with it, okay? Because she thinks it's another cat, okay? Tim can see the cat tap, okay? So the cat's kind of tapping on the watering can, okay? Tim can see the cat tap. Good. Can you read this sentence for me, please? Nice work. Okay, let's read it together one more time. Tim can see the cat tap. Nice work, okay? If the cat taps too hard, what will happen to the watering can? Yeah, it'll fall over, okay? So we don't want that to happen. Okay, so now there's a lot going on here. So this man is using a hose and he's watering the cabbage. She has a flower. This woman has a basket full of vegetables. Tim is patting the cat, okay? Tim can sit to pat the cat. Okay, good. Let's read together one more time. Tim can sit to pat the cat. Okay, awesome. Can you read this sentence out loud for me and I'll listen to you? Nice job. Okay, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Tim can sit to pat the cat. Very easy to read. Nice job with your English today with the story. Really good. Okay, so this is our part, readers to writers. So remember, this is where we stop reading and we write something down, okay? So you might have to pause your video while you write your sentences, okay? So what does this word say? Sentences, nice. Look at the sentence that Mia wrote. The sentence tells what Mia and her friends do. Okay, so let's look at Mia's model. Remember, model means like example, okay? So Mia and her friends, what do they do? We share toys. Okay, good. Can you read this to me? Easy. Do you and your friends share toys? Yeah, I'm sure that you do, okay? So we share toys is what Mia's example or her model is telling us that she does, okay? So what do you share? You can write it down.